Little Panda's town is waiting for your protection. Let's start today's patrol. Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here? The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out! Time to equip the magical item! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! Ah, you found my purse. Thank you so much. You're welcome. It's my duty. Officer Kiki, mission accomplished.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
If you quit now, you won't be able to get the coins. what's going on. I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help? No problem. Let's look for them together. These things are missing. Help Hank find them. Amazing! We found all the toys! Thank you!